How to turn on or turn off SmartThings SYNC Favorites on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon, then tap on Connected Devices. After that, scroll down and then tap on SmartThings. In here, tap on the menu button at the bottom corner. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. From here, we go down and tap on Sync Favorites. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it to turn it on. Here say your favorites will be updated to match the items saved in your Samsung account. Your favorites on this phone may change. Tap on the start button to begin. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.